Looking for a grant to kickstart your veteran-owned business? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into tips and resources to help you secure that much-needed funding to grow your business. First off, you need a solid plan. Grant providers usually want to see a detailed plan that covers your execution, administration, logistics, and more. A well-thought-out plan is key to getting in front of the right people. Let me share a couple of resources that can help you. The first one is the Entrepreneurship Bootcamp for veterans. This program is run by several universities, including Syracuse, Purdue, UCLA, Cornell, Texas A&M, and the University of Connecticut. It's packed with resources that can help you craft business plans and secure grants. Another fantastic resource is the Veteran Entrepreneurship Program, or VEP. This program connects you with a community that can increase your chances of securing grants. Getting involved in these programs not only provides valuable knowledge, but also connects you to a network that can open more doors. Universities often have resources and associations that can boost your chances of getting grants. So, if you're looking for a grant to start your veteran-owned business, check out EBV and VEP. This video is brought to you by LegalRegistration.com, the #1 online incorporation service provider. For more information, visit LegalRegistration.com or call 877-955-7111. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips.